yes guys, here we are. So, pupunta na kami dun sa, saan ba yun? Barbecue KL, Barbecue Lamb KL.
Reservation. Nag-reserve ka?
Let's go inside. Uy, siguro, ano na, fully booked na. Yeah, you can see guys. Uy, ang lakas ng ulan. What? I mean, ang agos. Yeah. For 3%, sabihin mo. So, ito po yung restaurant. Papasok na po kami. Ibalito lang makikita niyo yung doon. Tika lang, i-zoom ko. Ayan, parang ganyan. Kaso medyo malakas yung ilog. So, I don't know if we're gonna enjoy it. Maganda lang kasi kumain dyan pagka hindi maulan. So, the name is Barbecue Lamb KL. Yeah. So, because it's pandemic, now, we always required to do the scanning. So, maraming naka-reserve. Farida, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog. I'm Farida.
Yes.
And this
She is Farida. Look. It's like that. Let's go, Farida. Halika na. Halika na. Saan ba daw? Kahit ako gusto ko yung sa tubig. Tika lang, titignan ko from this side. Yung hindi masyadong malalim, baka mamaya. Oh, ito pwede na dito. Oo. Actually, mas maganda nga yun eh. Aayusin naman nila yan. Or yun ito. Farida! Tara, yun na. You see? Oh my God! Lamig. Struggle is real. Oh my God! Oh my God, Farida! Farida, napakalakas! Ang lalim dito. Struggle is real.
hindi pa kami guys nag-start kumain. Naghanap na kami na
Rice. Extra rice.
rice. Para din yung extra pang I want to
Tagal ang order natin ah. Gutom na ako. Saan na maghugas ng kamay? Dito na?
Oh,
Pwede no? Malinis yan?
Tapos magsalita.
Pagkatapos mo magtugas dito, dito ka na rin mag-toothbrush.
Ang lakas yung alon ng tubig. Kasi nung isang araw galing kami dito, nung nakaraan, sobrang taas ng tubig. Kaya hindi pwedeng kumain. Ay, ibaba mo yan. Ibaba mo din yan. Or ilagay mo dun sa kabila. Uy, waterproof yung cellphone ko. Farida, paa mo. Papakita ko. Isda ha, huwag lang linta. Thank you. Ganyan lang kasi nakastop din. Maliligo pa si Farida dyan. Maganda sana dun, hindi masyadong malakas yung tubig.
Hi, Dolly! I miss you!
Hi, Dolly! Uy, wag kang ganyan. Baka maligo si Farida dyan.
Walang problema.
Pag ako.
Okay, you're here na. Saan? Oh, diyan ka magbugas ng kamay mo?
Joke lang. Okay na.
Bro, ulit ang ba dua nasi lagi?
Tambad dua na siya.
Kenapa sekarang?
Kahit na rin yung
But the rice is small.
May isda ako.
May isda talaga?
Oo. Kumakain ng rice cube.
Ew. Wala pa yung pagkain namin. We order set of fish, 3 type of fish. They have the king crab, but it's too expensive. And then some more, their king crab is not too big, you know? So we have our order already. We have the 3 type of fish here. And then the sambal, Malaysia favorite sauce.
So, kinakain namin
And then
yung
yellow rice, of course.
eat the fish. and
We
the
have the
fish
water
eat
para
our
panghugas ng kamay. And then we have the unlimited, what is this? What is that?
Lemon, ice lemon.
Ice lemon tea. And then, yeah, and the beautiful background. Of course.
food. Okay. Eating time.
So, we're gonna eat. So, finally, we're done. Oh my God! So here, the kitchen. And there are people that celebrating their birthday. Say hi, happy birthday! And my 2 friends are there, couple there, families. And look at me, it's so malalim. Ganyan siya kalalim. Nakakaloka dito, may isda pa. Yung bata maliligo na, oh. Inaantok na daw siya. Antok ka na? Hindi si Farida magdadrive.
1, 2, 3.
May kitang ikot.
Ah.
And then guys, pag drink you can drink and chubby.
Picture.